This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 324 MBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 38 feet 2 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, Sleep 6, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, air conditioning, TV, smoke detector, oven, spare tire kit, Colorado Detector, water heater, microwave, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 324 MBS is 10,864 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.